Hi, I'm Phil with Right Rope. We're excited to tell you about our colored macrame cord. We've been working on this colored macrame cord for a very long time. Many of you love our natural bulk macrame cord and have been asking for colors for a while. It's finally here, and we have some very good quality cord that you're going to love. Like our bulk natural cord, we manufacture this in the United States, but from European yarns. A key difference is that our colored cord is made from recycled cotton. It is certified by the Global Recycled Standard, Oeko-Tex Standard 100, and the Global Compact. The Recover Upcycle Textile System produces cotton yarns from used clothing and pattern cutting scraps from the garment production industry. Our cord is 75% upcycled cotton, 20% polyester, and 5% other materials. This makes it an environmentally friendly, sustainable cord, which many of you have been asking for. As of the release of this video, we have 4 colors available. We have Coriander, which is a dark mustard color. We have dark Mocha, which is an earthy brown. We have Fern, which is a medium sage green. And we have Red Wine, which is a rich burgundy maroon color. We have several more colors on the way, and we will make an updated video as we get more colors in. We would love to hear from you in the comments what colors you would like to see us bring in next. Feel free to share your thoughts and help us decide the next colors. This colored cotton cord comes wound on 2-pound tubes. The 4mm diameter has about 600 feet per 2-pound tube. We will be adding more diameters as well as colors, so let us know in the comments what diameters you use the most, as well as whether or not you want us to produce it on larger tubes like we do with our bulk cord. Like our other macrame cord, we offer free shipping to the lower 48 states, and your order will arrive usually in 2 business days. Let us know if you have any questions and like this video. Subscribe to our channel for product updates, how-to videos, and more videos about all things rope. Visit rightrope.com to get the right rope at the right price.